Welcome to ICRA Juvenile e-learning platform. Command prompt keyboard shortcuts. Control-C or Control-Insert equals copy the selected text. Control-V or Shift-Insert equals paste the selected text. Control-M equals enter mark mode. Alt-selection key equals begin selection in block mode. Arrow keys equals move the cursor in the direction specified. Page up equals move the cursor by one page up. Page down equals move the cursor by one page down. Control Home, mark mode, equals move the cursor to the beginning of the buffer. Control End, mark mode, equals move the cursor to the end of the buffer. Control Up arrow equals move up one line in the output history. Control Down arrow equals move down one line in the output history. Control Home, history navigation, equals if the command line is empty, move the viewport to the top of the buffer. Otherwise, delete all the characters to the left of the cursor in the command line. Control End, history navigation, equals if the command line is empty, move the viewport to the command line. Otherwise, delete all the characters to the right of the cursor in the command line.